Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to change Apple ID in the App Store for free. So let's get started. So changing your Apple ID in the App Store on your iPhone or iPad is a straightforward process. So first thing first, all you need to do is tap on the App Store on your iPhone. Then simply tap on your profile icon available in the top right corner. Now after you tap on your profile icon, simply scroll down till you see the sign out option available there. Now simply sign out from your Apple ID and go to the top and you can see the sign in option. Tap in the sign in. Now all you have to do is create a new account or any account you want to use for your new Apple ID. Depending on your settings and security features, you may need to authorize the new Apple ID by entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number associated with that Apple ID. Then once you have signed in with the Apple ID, you can now access the App Store using this account as well. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.